In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $195,110 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on YouTube. I will share with you guys which affiliate links I was promoting on YouTube, and for beginners, I will show you step by step how you can join Fiverr affiliate marketing, how you can create an affiliate account like this one, and so much more. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this information that I will share for free. This method that I will share with you, making me commission every single month. So make sure to watch this video until the end and let's get started. Okay, and as you can see over here in my balance, I have $9,210 in my balance available. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month. So anyways, so for people who are new to my YouTube channel and you want to start making money with affiliate marketing, go to Google, search for Fiverr. Okay, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so what you need to do next, you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down. Just keep scrolling down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website so you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote. They are really paying a good commission. It's the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever, okay, because they are really paying a good commission for those services. Okay, so what you will do, just click over here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. As you can see, so what you need to do next, just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. Scroll down, do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country over here and choose your language. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to choose a good service that you will promote on YouTube to earn commission. Okay, you cannot promote any services, you need to choose specific services that people are searching for on YouTube. Okay, so what you need to do, you will go to your YouTube homepage. Just go and open your YouTube homepage like this. Okay, so first, why I choose YouTube? Did you know that YouTube has 13 billion monthly visitors? That's really a big number. You can get so much traffic from YouTube for free. Okay, millions of people every single day are searching for specific topic, services, products on YouTube. Okay, that's why you really should start promoting your affiliate links on YouTube if you want to make money with affiliate marketing. Okay, and YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, okay, after Google. Google is number one and YouTube is number two. Okay, so you should start using YouTube. So what you will do anyways, go to your YouTube homepage, click on the search, ask questions. So for example, I will ask how to, let's say for example, how to promote, and here you go. YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for. People are searching for how to promote your YouTube channel, how to promote affiliate links, how to promote YouTube channel, how to promote your music. Let's take for example this topic, how to promote your music. What you will do, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr, click on the search for music promotion. Okay, search for music promotion, and here you go. You will find a lot of people here who are providing this service on Fiverr. Okay, they will promote music for those people who are searching for how to promote your music. A lot of people will be interested to buy this service. A lot of people will be interested to promote their music, okay, on social media, or to get more views and more engaging and so on. Okay, so what you will do next, you need to choose a good seller. So how you can choose good seller? Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, top rated seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service to your affiliate from your affiliate link, and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose, for example, let me see if we can find good seller. I will do organic promotion for Spotify music. This one looks good. Okay, let me see this one. This one also looking really good. I will do music promotion campaign. This one looking good. Okay, so let me see. Okay, I will choose this one because this one has a lot of reviews, 5 star. So I will click on his service. I will choose this seller. Just click on his service, okay? And you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. What you need to do, you need to copy his profile link. Copy his profile link, okay, like this. And what you need to do next, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here, okay? And click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube, okay? So what you need to do, go back to this seller profile page, okay? Go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, okay? Just scroll down and go to his you should see over here about this gig. Click on this video, okay, like this. Let me see. So what you will do, double click and save this video to your laptop, okay, like this. Save video. I will name it music promotion, like this, okay. After you finish, you will go to Canva, okay? Go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and it's for free. You can use it for free. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here on video, okay? Click on video and you will be directly in this page. Click over here on upload file and upload this video that you download from Fiverr, okay? Open. We will use this video to promote our affiliate link on YouTube. Click on this video. Your video will be over here. Click on your video and your video will be over here again. Click on this 3 points and click on set video as background, okay, like this, okay. Click over here on text, scroll down, choose which style of text you want to use. So for me, I will use this one. Just click on the text style and your text will be over here. I will delete this part and I will decrease the font size of this text. I will put here and double click and write this sentence: check link in my description, okay. Check link in my description, like this. Okay, like this. Check link in my description. Put this title here. Go over here to elements and click over here on shape, okay. Click over here on color and click on black color, okay. Then put this shape here like this, so to make this title looking good, okay, looking good. Click on the video and delete. Click on volume here and just decrease the volume to 0, okay. We don't want the background music, we want just the video and that's it, okay. Let me see. Okay, it's there now. It's looking good. So people who are searching for how to promote music, how to promote your music, they will see this video on YouTube. They will see this check link in my description, and I will put my affiliate link in my YouTube description for this video, okay. So after you finish, click on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go to YouTube, open your YouTube channel. It's for free and it will take just few minutes. It will take just 1 minute, okay. You just need to use your email address to open a YouTube channel and it's for free, of course, okay. After you finish, upload, go to your YouTube channel, upload this video, okay. upload this video to your YouTube channel and put this title, copy this title, how to promote your music. Just copy this title like it is, okay, exactly like this. Don't change or add anything. How to promote your music. Put this title in your YouTube title, go to your YouTube description, put this, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. That's how we can promote affiliate links on YouTube, and that's how we can choose profitable services. Choose services that people are searching for, okay? Don't promote any services. Go to your YouTube, use YouTube search to find what people are searching for on YouTube, okay? Those people who are searching for how to promote your music, they have money and they are ready to invest in services, okay? How to promote your music. They want to promote their music, okay? So those people will be interested to buy this service, okay? I will on Fiverr. I will promote your music on my blog and social media. You will be interested to buy this service, okay? They click on your affiliate link in your description, click over here on request to order and buy this service from your affiliate link. You will earn commission, okay? And if they keep buying this service in next time, you will keep making commission, okay? And that's how we can and that's how we can make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube, okay? So for people who don't know how exactly to upload this video to your YouTube channel, how to put affiliate link in your YouTube description, I will leave a link, okay, link in my description of this video, showing you step by step how we can upload this video to your YouTube channel and how we can promote this affiliate link on YouTube, how we can put this affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.